So now we're going to be talking about how to do a DIY home program massage. Here we have a burn that is 6 weeks post initial injury, and it's now in the remodeling phase of healing. We use normal aqua cream, and what technique we use is 2 fingers applied onto the scar with pressure, turning the scar slightly lighter than the initial color. What I'm doing is making circular motions all over the length of the scar as well as the surrounding tissue. It's important to do this slowly and really apply maximum pressure. The circular motion is technique 1. Technique 2 is going vertically over the length of the scar, still applying maximum pressure. The third technique is then going horizontally over the scar, as well as the surrounding tissue. It's optimal to massage your scar at least 2 to 3 times a day for 10 to 15 minutes each time.